Hi, if you're interested in earning around $6 per PDF document download without any selling, without any website or upfront investment, you are in the right place. So in this video, I'll show you a free and beginner friendly method to make money online through affiliate marketing in 2024. And guys, if you're really interested or if you're very serious about making money online, check out my favorite strategy by clicking the first link in the description down below. It's a genuine opportunity for beginners to start earning from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, that too from comfort of your home. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. And by the way, my name is Mahesh, where I discuss topics like making money online, passive income, and online business. So if you're keen on learning more about these subjects, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Please don't subscribe right away. If in case you like this video, at the end of this video, you can please do subscribe. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Alright, now let's jump into the actual video. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a free Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account created, go search on YouTube how to create Canva profile. So once you are successfully registered with Canva, go and search for booklet portrait, then open it in a new document and leave it aside. Next, head over to a site called fileupload.org, a file sharing platform similar to Google Drive. So I've included my affiliate link down below. If you are interested, then you can directly give me a kickback by clicking on that link. Now sign up for a free account and set up your payment details over there. You can choose payment methods like PayPal, WebMoney, Bitcoin, etc. And then after, save your settings. Now on file upload platform, you can earn money every time someone downloads your free PDF file. It's interesting, right? So navigate to make money section, where you'll see that you can earn up to $6 for downloads from tier 1 countries like United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and United Kingdoms, and a $2 for the rest of the world. So set up your payment method and save settings. Now head over to youtube.com to find valuable content. Search for topics like affiliate marketing. You know, I'm into affiliate marketing niche or making money online niche. So I would be searching based on my niche. So here I would be searching like affiliate marketing free courses. Then after, you will find lengthy videos that serve a mini courses. Copy the video link and download the thumbnail using a tool like YouTube thumbnail downloader online. You can search it on Google, come across with lot many websites, click any website and download the actual thumbnail of that video. So in your canva.com, you need to open that document, okay, empty document, and from left you would be finding lot many designs. Choose any template, then after, start editing your document. So if you're worried about the content, need not to be. Why? Because I'm going to show you a bonus strategy right away. Now, according to your niche, go and search it on Google. My niche is on affiliate marketing, so I will search like how to do affiliate marketing. Then after, I'll grab an article, I'll copy all the information presented in that article, go to ChatGPT. If you don't have any account on ChatGPT, then create one. Why? Because this tool would be helping you out all the way. Alright, so paste your article over there and ask ChatGPT to create an ebook for you. Then after, it would be generating you ebook content. Now the next step is copy the content and paste it in the template on canva.com. It's that easy. So if you don't know how to edit it, you will be finding lot many tutorial videos on YouTube. Go watch those videos and come back and edit your document. So once your document is ready, now here you would be coming across with your actual step. You need to insert the thumbnails which you have downloaded. So I have 2 thumbnails which I have downloaded, as you can see on the screen. So I would be inserting those thumbnails, and down below what I do is like I'll link back to the original video from the YouTube which I've downloaded. Okay, so link back to the YouTube video so that individuals who visit this PDF document can easily access those videos. So repeat the process for multiple videos. Now I've included only 2 videos. You can do 3, 4, or even 5. It's up to you. Now you can explore different niches, and here is another bonus strategy for you. Include affiliate links if you are interested to earn more money. You know, platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus have n number of products according to your niche. So go grab that affiliate links and paste it in the same PDF document. So once your document is ready, save it as a PDF. Now return to fileupload.org. Then after, upload your PDF file and make it public. This will generate you a unique affiliate link, as you can see on the screen. I'm going to upload the file. Then after, I'm going to give a short description. Then boom, your affiliate link is created, and you'll share the same link to earn money when people download your document. Now the actual question is how you can bring the traffic. So to boost the traffic, leverage platforms like Facebook, Quora, Reddit, and LinkedIn. And now I'm about to share you a bonus strategy also by making use of articles. So please stick to this video till the end. Now let me give you an example with Quora, and you can follow the same strategy with all the other platforms. Okay. So head over to Quora.com. If you don't have the account, then you can please create one. So search for questions according to your niche. Here I find lot many questions, like I'm into money making online niche. So when I search it, I come across lot many questions. Click on that question, and then after, you need to give an answer to that question asked by an individual. So how do you create this answer? It's quite simple. Head over to ChatGPT once again, and with the same article which I have generated, copy that article and paste it and ask ChatGPT to give you an Quora answer. It would be automatically giving you a Quora answer. Copy it and follow the same strategy which I have followed on generating your PDF document. Insert the thumbnails, and just below the thumbnail, give a call to action to that affiliate link which you have created. So once the individual come across with this answer, he or she clicks on the link and download the document. So right away you get credited with $6. It's that easy. Now please follow the same thing with reddit.com and LinkedIn and Facebook groups. Okay, but in Facebook, Reddit, and LinkedIn, don't right away post the affiliate link. Why? Because people might block you from their groups. So first start building your conversation with individuals, and then after, you ask them to visit these links, or you can directly post affiliate links over there. So primary thing is like you need to build conversation, then after post affiliate links. Now let's head over to another strategy, writing articles on Medium. So I cannot show the complete video over here. So if you are interested to learn how to write articles by making use of ChatGPT in 6 simple steps, then you can please click the video which is popping on the screen on I button, or visit the link from the description down below. So once your article is generated, head over to medium.com, paste it, insert the title, all the description down below, and follow the same thing. Insert the thumbnails, and just below that thumbnail, include your affiliate link, and boom, post it. You know, people start visiting your article, and if they are interested, they click on your affiliate link and download the PDF file. So these are the steps we follow right now with this video. And if you are really interested to learn more about affiliate marketing and like to know the secret strategies what we are using to drive traffic to our affiliate links, then you can please join our community. Okay, right now the link is not available, but in future we would be dropping that link in our upcoming videos. So if you join that community, you will come across with like-minded people and interact with them and learn new strategies over there. And I'm also going to reveal my own strategies, like how I'm going to earn money with affiliate marketing. So guys, please don't miss this opportunity. Please do subscribe, and I hope you like this video. And as I promised you, there would be a bonus of $97, right? So I'm going to give away the exact bonus what you're seeing on the screen. This Tasho method, which is listed on Digistore24. It's my own program where I teach individuals to start their own dietary supplement brand without any inventory or without any product. So I'm going to give away the exact program absolutely for free. Head over to the first link in the description, get registered, so that you would be also receiving this email, like the complete setup, by end of the day. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. That's it, guys. You now have a method to make money online through affiliate marketing by sharing valuable content. Remember to be ethical and provide real value for your audience. If you found this information helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out the free training link in the description down below. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.